1. It was snowing badly. 2. What happens to the water at 32 Fahrenheit? 3. Who takes care when you have a trouble with your car? 4. Neither father nor Mary smokes. 5. Both Mary and Sue speak Spanish. 6. Both Mary and Sue drink coffee. Who drinks coffee? 7. The bank is near the post office. 8. There were many things behind the house. 9. The police officer said, "Pull over your car." 10. There was a minute particle in it. 11. They must be kept in safe places. 12. What should you do when the teacher asks you a question? 13. What is the air we breathe? 14. He has much time to do the work. 15. He has a pain in his waist. 16. He lost one of his grandparents. 17. He wasn't alert in the class this morning. 18. He was eager to eat big dinner. 19. You should contact with your instructor. 20. They were blinking the light. 21. They have the key to the right room. 22. They have 3 rooms available. 23. He was punctual at the school. 24. They canceled the meeting at 4:30. 25. Post office was quite a distance from school. 26. He tore his suit while playing. 27. He failed on the test. 28. It was cloudy last night. But it cleared up this morning, didn't it? 29. They intend to go to USA next year. 30. How do you check a performance of a new car? 31. We are having beautiful weather this February, but a month ago we had snow. 32. How far is it to the school? 33. Where do we get money order? 34. After seeing the dog I feared. 35. The molecules are far apart. 36. They sent the books by means of airmail. 37. Can you get resume of the book? 38. What is your main aim to study English? 39. You can realize the main point when you study that book. 40. We depend on rubber for its so many uses. 41. Did the mechanic find out the trouble? 42. You need pour copper to do that. 43. Babies need pure milk to grow. 44. No matter how difficult situation becomes, I will stand by you. 45. Air takes up space in the atmosphere. 46. It is the yellow big building next to the bank. 47. He wants to give up smoking. 48. Why don't you cut down on expenses? 49. The judge fined him $15 for speeding. 50. He must make up for the damage he could. 51. I don't know how to deal with a situation like this. 52. The electrical system furnishes the electric. 53. He struggled against adverse circumstance. 54. You should go over some of the points. 55. My watch is fast. It gains 7 minutes every day. 56. Don't release the lever yet. 57. Can you keep up the home now you have best your job? 58. The Red Cross sent relief to the flood victims. 59. He is a capable driver in the family. 60. If you have a question, lift your hand. 61. The ship discharged her load yesterday. 62. He certainly did his job well. 63. He helped him some money for present. 64. The company hired him. 65. This device is used for drilling metal. 66. This plane differs from that one in 2 ways.